Chandivali is a suburb of north-central Mumbai situated between Sakinaka and Powai Lake. It is amongst the rapidly developing suburbs of Mumbai. It has Andheri on the west, Powai on the north, Vikhroli on the east and Sakinaka on the southern side. Namaskar. You're watching MBTV and I am Deepak Singh. In today's episode of Locality Review, we will go to Chandivali and explore its infrastructure index, development index, connectivity index, and we will also check the status of civic amenities available for the residents in the locality. Chandivali has recently emerged as a popular locality due to its proximity with the Powai area, which is now a famous business and leisure destination. Chandivali is also well known for the small but famous Chandivali studio. The professionals working in Powai, Andheri and LBS Road are primarily driving demand for residential space in this area. The area is developed by renowned developers such as Kalpatru Group, Shapoorji Pallonji, Hiranandani Group and Lodha Group. The adjoining Powai Lake makes it a pleasant residential destination. The locality predominantly has apartments in it. Policing of the area is done by Sakinaka Police Station. Retail shops for daily needs are available within the locality. Chandivali has witnessed a tremendous growth in the recent years. However, some remnants of the old residential building like Mannu Bhai Chaul still exist on the Chandivali Farm Road. Of late, this area has also emerged as an attractive business destination, attracting numerous companies and many banks who have opened their offices in the locality. There are many reputed educational institutions situated within the locality. The area also houses many good hospitals within. There are many local markets in the area like the one in Mahda Colony, Chandivali Road and malls like R-City Mall. One can also visit the premium shops and stores in the neighboring Hiranandani Gardens. The locality has good connectivity with the rest of the city via road and rail. Jogeshwari Vikhroli Link Road, Saki Vihar Road, Chandivali Road, Khairani Road and Nahar's Amrit Shakti Road boost the locality's connectivity. Two railway stations, Andheri on the western line and Ghatkopar on the central line cater to the area. These are within 6 km from the locality. Nearest metro station on line 1 Sakinaka is about 500 meters and 5 minutes away. The Mumbai International Airport is around 6 km and it takes on an average 20 minutes to reach there. Chandivali houses various IT offices both on Andheri Ghatkopar Road and LBS Road, and these are also the primary drivers of employment for locals and nearby residents. According to Magic Bricks data, 2 BHK is the most common room configuration in the locality and accounts for approximately 54% of all the properties for sale. 92% of the properties in Chandivali are multi-story apartments. For more information on property prices, rental range and the types of properties available in Chandivali, you can visit the below URL. This URL has also been put in the description box below. Chandivali has a well-maintained network of internal roads. The area receives 24 hours municipal water supply and there are no power cuts. The traffic on the JVLR main road is an area of concern for the residents living in the locality. The adjoining beautiful Powai Lake further enhances the livability of the locality. There are multiple shops available within the locality for daily needs as well. So in case you are looking for a locality which has a lake in its neighborhood, has excellent connectivity and also boasts of good civic amenities, then you can consider Chandivali. However, at certain points in the locality, there are traffic jams visible during peak hours. So this was our review of Chandivali as a locality. How did you find this review? Do share your views in the comment section below. This is Deepak Singh signing off with cameraman Lokendra.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.